Hello, this is Willie and Anna Garcia with the Garcia Real Estate Team. Today we're at Robert Cortez and Sonia Cortez's home. They're military vets. We were able and blessed to help Robert Cortez buy his lovely home. As you see, it's a huge, beautiful pool home. Robert, tell us, first of all, thank you for serving us. We appreciate that very much. I'm sure we all appreciate his service to our country. Robert, tell us, where did you serve and how long did you serve?
I served in the United States Navy 4 years. I served on board the USS Flint as a pilot rescue swimmer in Concord, California, in the northern area.
That is amazing. Wow. Tell us a little bit about the experience of buying a home, because from what Anna and I understand, there's a lot of vets out there that aren't aware that they could buy a house with no money down. Tell us about the experience of purchasing a home.
Well, the experience of purchasing a home and finding out about your VA benefits was really difficult until I met Willie and Anna Garcia. What they brought to the table was a lot of factual information that we couldn't get when we first started. And by providing this information about the VA benefit program and the truth of how much money we can get for our loan, Willie and Anna brought this reality together for us. And that's why we have our home now today.
That's amazing. We want to say that if you're a vet out there and somehow you reach to or you view this video, know that you have amazing benefits where you can buy a home with no money down, very, very little closing cost. And that's just, it opens the doors for us, our vets. And for us as a team, it's so important for us to give back to our vets, and we want to continue helping vets get home ownership. And that's what we strongly believe in. I want to thank you, Robert, for allowing us to serve you this time around.
Oh, no, thank you, Willie and Anna. Thank
you. It's a great pleasure, and we're just so happy that we were able to have a happy vet family have that home ownership now. We'll talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.